Hey guys, it's the Frugalnista. It is the first day of summer and I have a little bit of dilemma. Before I say hello to summer, I need to start putting away some spring. I was sitting up here looking at these two guys and they are still out. My two free find bunnies. You guys remember them? I found these for free at Kirkland's and they have been flanking my fireplace all spring long. I just think they look so stately, so cute, but they don't look like Easter bunnies to me. They just look like two stately hares, I'll call them. But I was just sitting here thinking that first day of summer and you still have bunnies out. Girl, what are you doing? So let's go put away some spring so we can say hello to summer. Wow, it seemed just like yesterday I put out this Hello Spring sign. Now it's time to put it away. I didn't get a chance to show you guys my spring tour this year. So much was going on in my household. My husband had emergency surgery. But guess what, guys? Time waits for no one. The bunnies are being put away. In all actuality, these were put away a couple of weeks ago. This is old footage. But this is how I do it. I didn't bring up a lot of spring, so there wasn't a lot to take away, which is good. I disassembled my candy bar and I was going to take away everything that just kind of looked like spring, like that pink basket. I think my champagne bucket is going to be fine for the remainder of the summer. I may stick a few red, white, and blue flags in it, if that, because 4th of July will be here before you know it, guys. And with the 4th falling on an odd, Wednesday, I doubt if we're going to be doing anything. So guess what? This is going to be the look for the rest of the summer. I picked up a few things this year, and all of these items will be taken to the basement. I did not get to show you guys my china cabinet. I thought it looked so pretty. I used all free find bunnies in this cabinet this year. And it's so weird. I never used to use this space, guys, but now I love decorating it. The only thing that belonged to me, or the only thing that I purchased, are these groupings of figurines that I've had forever. Everything else in my china cabinet for spring was free. Just like the dining room, I don't have any footage of how my foyer looked for the spring season, but I do have a few pictures. Now I'm showing you this picture because I used my little bunny rabbit along with a few carrots. And I want to really show you this picture. You see that lamp behind me? Well, guys, it was beautiful, with was being the key word. The mirror fell on the lamp fell on the floor, and I had glass everywhere. All because I did not secure that mirror. Well, guess what now, guys? I'm securing it now. Oh my goodness, it was a mess in my foyer. And y'all know my biggest fear is glass, because we have a shoe-free home. You see me walking around now with no shoes on. But again, I had glass everywhere. But such is life, I guess. I used that green wreath and my two little bunny rabbits, and it's time to put those away. I had a few of you asked about how I keep my floors so shiny. Well, it's real simple, guys. The only thing I use on a day-to-day is my Swiffer dry mop, followed by a Swiffer wet mop. Now, I do have a Shark steam vac that I can use on my floors. I do use that in the winter months because my floors can take a beating. Generally, I usually have a rug down, which helps with the floors. So I am on the lookout for a new rug. But I really think it's because, we're a shoe-free home. I think that's one reason why the floors look so good. And welcome to my clean foyer. This is how it's going to look for this summer. I decided to freshen it up with a few new pieces that you guys have not seen, like the topiaries. They came from the at-home store. I purchased those in the springtime. I think they will go with me into the summer. The table is a new purchase also. I picked that up from Raymore and Flanagan. We have a clearance center. I love that table. You guys have seen that potpourri dish. That's a freebie. That little sign from Dollar Tree. The chair and the pillow are also freebies. It finishes the look in the foyer. Now y'all come on into my clean dining room. You guys have seen everything in here. The only thing I decided to keep up from spring were those pretty orchids. I think they can stay with me the rest of the summer on top of my china cabinet. Inside my china cabinet, guess what? China. It's going to be a real chill summer for us, guys. And if the spirit moves me, I might decide to decorate it. But right now, this will be the look. And on the opposite side of the room is the buffet server. I decided to keep my champagne bucket decorated as it was in the springtime with a little bird bath, all those pretty flowers, and that topiary. The goal was actually just to get in this room and get it clean, everything in its place, and I did that. Look at this pretty arrangement of flowers, that gorgeous yellow orchid. Now I did take it out of the pink Easter basket and replaced it with a pretty blue and white wooden basket. And welcome to my home for summer 2018. Y'all, I'm going to try to do my best to have the chillest summer ever, and I hope you do the same. Thanks for watching, guys.